Good afternoon, students. I want to make this welcome to week 4 of this class, and I want to say that you've all done a really great job in doing all of your essays. And so far, I'm very impressed. You've all gotten your thesis statements, and I think that many of you are using AI to help you write your essay and to help you correct your essay. But I do want to caution you that you should not use AI for your research. So when you start looking for sources for your paper, you still need to find your sources in the AI, in the online library. And so I'm going to go over the different forums. And so for today, so in week 4 forum, all you have to do is add more food adjectives to your week 3 food post. In week 5, you're going to post the rough draft of your narrative essay. In week 6, you're going to discuss the mistakes that you made in your essay. And then in week 5, oh, I did week 5 already. And also when you post it to students in your first peer review for the week 5 forum, you would comment on how well the students are doing their essay. So for example, you would say, Jane, you need to fix your thesis statement. Or John, your thesis statement needs to be the last sentence of the first paragraph. Or Jennifer, I really appreciate your topic, but you need to fix your subject-verb agreement. So either you do your own, post it to students and correct other people's essays, or you could use ChatGPT. So the prompt would be give essay feedback on essay structure, punctuation, mechanics, and tone. And then you cut and paste these corrections into the other person's post so that they can see what they did wrong. And then you would cut and paste their essay without their name or school, it's for privacy, into ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT does a great job listing all your sentence structure mistakes, your essay structure mistakes, and then the other student can then see what they did wrong. And so I will do some of it. And then if all of us do that together, then you can get a lot of feedback on what to fix and what mistakes you have. So don't forget that when you do your peer review, you're helping the other student improve her paper. And don't be embarrassed if you think that your grammar is not that good. Nobody is going to laugh at your revision advice, especially if you use ChatGPT. But don't let ChatGPT write your essay for you because AI has a tendency to hallucinate. And as I was saying earlier, if you're going to look for sources for your essay, you need to find those sources in the Fortis online library because AI hallucinates. And then for the week 6 forum, we will discuss what mistakes did you make? And you would write something like, when I got my student feedback, people told me that I need to fix my thesis statement. Or when I got my feedback in week 4 from the teacher, she said that my essay was so well written that it's ready to be posted for the week 5 forum. That sort of thing. So just write down what feedback you've gotten from me or from other students. So this is why it's so important in the week 5 forum to provide accurate feedback to other students so that they can fix their essays. And then in week 6, they're able to report what feedback they did get from other students or from me. And in order to maximize for your feedback, you should post everything before Wednesday. So that way people have Thursday through Sunday to post feedback to you. If you do all of your work on Sunday, nobody's going to have time to give you feedback. You're not going to get any feedback. You're going to have nothing to report for week 6 because the week 6 assignment is to write what feedback did I get. So that's why you have 2 deadlines in your forums, Wednesday and Friday, for that reason. And then for your week 7 forum, that's the last forum I'm going to do. You're going to choose a topic. We're going to start our week 2, essay 2, comparison contrast essay where you compare two similar things, to people, to places, to ideas. Coca-Cola is better tasting than Pepsi, or adulthood is just as important as childhood, or warm weather is better than cold weather because reason 1, 2, and 3. So I'll give you an extra list of topics that you can choose from, and then you just do a pre-writing or a free writing of what you want to write about for your comparison contrast essay 2. And then the last half of your class, you're going to be writing a comparison contrast essay and a persuasive essay. And so that would be the end of this particular 12-week class. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time. And I'm here to help you. And if you want to subscribe to the Professor H writing channel, or if you have any video topics you'd like me to record about, you can always email me, and I'm always here to help you. So have a great week, everyone. And I hope that everybody enjoys this class.